My name is Ryan Castellano. I am from the United States. This course and retreat has provided me with a foundation, a very powerful foundation to build my spiritual practice and continue my journey with remarkable direction and clarity that I could never have imagined. The mana was challenging, and it was unparalleled to reset my life, to evaluate beliefs, patterns, habits that I've had and known about, but could never possibly understand or unravel. So mana was the ultimate path for self-realization. Dharmananda and Soma were absolutely remarkable. Their guidance was extraordinary. They take a very pragmatic, practical approach to a very complex topic. I couldn't have asked for anything more.